Hi friends, today I am with the Noise HRX X Fit 1 model, the new fitness tracking watch by Noise. We will talk about the unboxing and all the features in detail in this video. So if you talk about the device box, it looks pretty much similar of the Noise boxing and packaging what we have seen earlier. Now I will going to unwrap this. So as you know, the HRX is a Hrithik Roshan brand. It is for the fitness people who are fitness freak, who love to be fit. Definitely this will encourage them. And coming to some of the features, it comes with the 1.52-inch IPS LCD display, 360x400 pixels resolution. It comes with a heart rate monitor, blood oxygen monitor, stress monitor. The best part is that it is compatible with Android and iOS both ecosystem. The box prices given is 5,999, which is definitely not the final pricing, and we will talk about the pricing later on. If we talk about the few more things, the device is here you can see it comes with a very different and elegant stylish design. If you talk about the charging, it comes with the Pogo pin charger. Here I will like to focus you. This is a magnetic Pogo pin charger. There is USB 2.0 to which you can input in any of the adapter you have. And here you can see there is some of the warranty guide and user guide also. So I will definitely recommend you to check out the user guide to know your fitness tracker watch well. Now if you want to boot it up, just put it into the power, and here you can see the watch is currently booting up, and once it's done, I will recommend you to charge it completely before the first use. And the few things that you should note, that if you want to install the app, the QR code will be present on the watch and also on the box. So if you swipe that, you can see the device information. So I will recommend you to scan it, and you will get the Noise Fit Health Fitness app. So just install it, go through that, and it will ask you which watch it is. So it is what we are using is X Fit 1. So once it is done, it will do the pairing. The pairing is very simple. You need to have the Bluetooth on. Once it is done, it will ask you to pair with the watch, and if this you give, it will also ask you what kind of app you want to use. Currently I am using it for notification and general things, so you can change that. If you are fitness freak, you can choose according to that. Your gender, your age, your height, your weight, everything can be put up here. And once it is done, you just need to press next. Then it will ask you the sleep goal, the walking goal, calories need to be burned, and then it is done. Lastly, we are in the dashboard. In the dashboard, you can see in the top right side, the watch is already been paired. You have the step goals, calories which are burned, the step counts is also shown, the heart rate, the stress count, and the blood oxygen monitor. These are shown. If you have buddies and trophies, you can challenge them with your buddies, which is definitely a good thing. If you go to the shop, it has a specific categories which comes with the Bluetooth neckband. There are TWS. There is also all the smartwatch and the fitness tracker category where you can buy and purchase the things. There is also accessories in which you can purchase the straps for this. So a whole lot of collection can be accessible of Noise through this. So this is definitely an easy place to go rather than going and searching every model. This is the easy way what I will suggest you to check it out. So this is first thing. Then there is the activity. For activity, it will require the permission, and the location is currently off for Noise Fit. I am just giving it a location for the activity to get it registered. Now coming to the watch faces, it has a plenty of watch faces, nearly 1000 watch faces what the company is claiming. We have gone through few of the watch faces. It comes with the abstract, geometry, space, and few other categories are mentioned here. Sports is also there. Coming to the sports is basically you get a lot more compilation that, so definitely it keeps your fitness tracking watch a little bit updated, a little bit new look. Now going through few of the stats, it comes with the weigh of 30 grams. It is 9 mm slim. It gives you 15 sports mode, and it has a 24/7 heart rate monitor. The company claims that the smartwatch is once fully charged, it can run up to 7 days, and it takes around 2 hours to charge completely from 0 to 100. Now I will try to show you one of the watch face. I will install it and show you how it takes. It will take a little bit time. You need a proper internet connection. All the watch faces are cloud based watch faces, and it takes a little bit time to install. So I will tell you to be a little bit patient. The best part is that it comes with the 1.52-inch IPS LCD true view display, and it has a 360 into 400 pixels. So it is just done. You can see the watch face is just got updated. So it is very easy. It will not take time, but it will definitely need an active internet connection at the time when you are installing. And there are a few more watch faces which you can go and install also. Coming to that, here you can check the firmware version. You can update that. Check for the updates, can give you the firmware update. It will also tell you if there is the idle update. It will tell you the heart rate monitor will be done. The Google Fit, you can sync with that. There is a rapid eye movement. There is also drink water reminder, which will remind you to drink water. There is a camera shutter. You can click the pictures using your fitness tracking watch as a shutter. And there is weather settings. If you go to the weather settings, you have to give the permission to access the weather, and it also needs the location at the same time. So definitely it will be useful through your fitness tracking watch. Now coming to this, you get My Buddies trophies. This can be challenging when you have your friends also in the circle. You can challenge them. The best part is that you can do the online warranty registration for the fitness tracking watch. And lastly, this is what we are getting in the app. So it is completely the similar app what we have seen for Noise other watches also. Now talking about the interface for XFit 1, you have only one single button. It can tell you the activity, the workout, the sports record, even the sleep cycle, what you have done, the heart rate monitor, the SpO2 monitor. This all the records will be registered in your mobile watch or mobile app also. So don't worry for that. And it will take some time to get it recorded. You can also access the weather, which is very easily done. The breathing can be also check it out. There is reminder, music. It includes the music function where you can change the music, you can change the audio also. There is alarm, stopwatch, stress count monitor. World clock can be also accessible, and the watch faces are there. Some of the default watch faces are literally very good, and I like that. It also matches with the band and the whole accent of fitness freak thing. And if you go to that later on, lastly it is the settings. If you go to the settings, you can change the brightness level can be changed, the vibration level can also be changed. And if you talk about the auto screen off, it can go maximum up to 30 seconds. There is a device information, and here you can see the auto screen off, which can be changed to 30 seconds. Now after that, there is a DND mode, QR code to scan for the app, the reboot, power off and reset. These are the features you get the button. If you swipe from the top, you get the notification. If you swipe from the left side, you have completely the music access. And if you swipe from the right side, you will see all the activity. If you swipe from the bottom, you can see it is connected, the battery percentage, and also the power saving mode is there. You can find your phone. You can also change the brightness with that, which is very easy. And also there is a DND mode present. You can switch on the flash, and lastly you can go and access to the settings. If you press the button for a long time, it will ask you to power off or reset. So definitely that is also a useful thing if you are stuck. If you talk about the few key features, it comes with the 1.52 IPS LCD display. It can be easily visible in the sunlight. It weighs around 30 grams. It is slim as 9 mm, and it comes with the 15 sports mode. It has a 24/7 heart rate monitor. You can swap the straps, which is very easy, and we have seen earlier also. And it is for the extreme performance X factor, what they are saying. And it comes with the IP68 rating, which definitely means that sweat and the spills it can easily take. It will not have any of the problem with that. It have few more things, including weather forecast, call rejection, alarm, find my phone, timer, stopwatch, sedentary reminder, and there is sleep monitor, hand wash reminder, the screen brightness control. There is a remote music control, do not disturb mode, vibration alert, calendar reminder, wake gesture. So I think I have gone through each and everything. Physically it has only one button on the right side. It doesn't have any other button on the left side. You can't answer the calls. This is just a fitness tracker watch. It will be available in two colors. This is the jet black color, the other will be the space gray color. So this is the two colors which will be going to be available. This is priced for 2699 as an introductory price offer. It will be available through on the online stores. It can be purchased through the Noise official website also. So this is all about the Noise HRX model with XFit 1 fitness tracking watch. This is Vivin signing off. Please like the video, share the video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for us.